Alright, so I'm gonna make a quick video here of a crossing tour of the Midland-Fosterville Road here in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Or Fosterville, one of the two. Here's the first crossbuck. Alright. It's very freaking cold out here today. I put a hoodie on. I'm gonna keep my hoodie on. If a yield sign, dot number 349356B, and crossbuck. I don't believe there's some parts of the concrete right there. Ooh, it's very cold out here today. Nope, no emergency dot tag on there. No emergency info. Or no old element dot tag. Crossing. I have a concrete grade. There's traffic looking towards Fosterville, Murfreesboro, Smyrna, Laverne, then Antioch, then Nashville. There's actually a block signal right there. I've actually walked up to that. It's a Lincoln Industries junction box on it. Yellow sign, emergency crossbuck. Got some rocks right there. I don't know why, but some rocks. I'm not gonna go up to it because I just heard a noise over there. I'm not gonna go up to it. And that's looking towards where it's lined. There's a relay box right there, but that's looking towards where it's lined. Well, that's looking towards Biblical, Wartrace, Normandy, Tullahoma, Estill Springs, Deckard, Cowan, Sherwood, Anderson, then eventually comes into Bass, Alabama, then Stevenson, Alabama, where it ends. Actually a crossbuck, private crossing all the way down there. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Whew. Peace.